A man is earning 1 crore rupees a month by selling rice husk ash. He is exporting it to Europe, America, Southeast Asia and East Asia. And that material, which people all over India consider waste and burn, causing smoke and pollution, he has built a multi-crore business out of it. First, understand what's happening in the world, because that's where this story begins. The tire industry, rubber products, paint, toothpaste, footwear and many manufacturing companies all have a huge demand for one thing. Precipitated silica is normally made by extracting sand from riverbeds. River sand mining is causing rivers to dry up, banks to collapse and the environment to be completely destroyed. It means that to meet its own needs, the industry was actually harming the planet. That's pure irony. But in India, an alternative already existed. Every year, tens of millions of tons are produced. Every year, tens of millions of tons of rice husk are generated in India. Rice mill owners burn it to generate electricity, and the fine ash that's left after burning is called rice husk ash. It was produced in such large quantities that no one knew what to do with it. So what did people do? They would let it fly into the air, causing pollution in the village, leading to respiratory diseases, eye irritation and children falling sick. And if this ash is not managed properly, it causes severe environmental damage, degrades the soil, pollutes the water. The whole of India considered it waste. Now comes Gujarat's chemical engineer Tanmay Pandya, who studied chemical engineering at IIT BHU, has a technical background and earlier co-founded a clean tech company called Bridge Dots. When he saw rice husk ash, he realized that it contains 85 to 95 He connected the dots. The very thing we are burning and letting the smoke out, that's exactly what the entire world's industry is looking for. In 2016, he started Brizil Technologies in Vadodara, Gujarat, completely from scratch with no major investment, just an idea and hard work. What if this agricultural waste from India could become the green solution for manufacturing all over the world? All this because this is the real magic. Brazil's process step by step. First, raw material collection. They collect ash from the rice mill. In the beginning, this was almost free or available at a very low cost. The mill owners were happy that someone was taking away their waste, pollution was also reduced and they got an extra source of income. Then, through precipitation, they extract high quality precipitated silica and highly dispersible silica called HITs. Along with this, calcium carbonate is also produced as a byproduct which is used in the paint, paper and dental industries. The entire process is zero waste. Third, washing and purification. This step is the most critical as the quality is decided here. Multiple washing, filtration and chemical treatments are done to remove impurities and unwanted chemicals until the product matches industrial standards for tires, paint and toothpaste. Without this step, the product cannot be used in paint or rubber. Fourth, drying and customization. Grades are prepared according to different industries. For tires, HDS is made to increase fuel efficiency and reduce rolling resistance. For paint, a different grade. For toothpaste and food grade, another. Tanmay's team blends exactly according to the client's needs. Fifth, packing and export. The finished product is sent to global clients in small packages. Logistics are easy and costs are low. This is not just silica, it's green silica, up to 55% cheaper. Low energy use, zero waste process. It saves rivers, reduces pollution and promotes the circular economy. Now in the actual process of global green silica, the cleverest part is this customization. Competitors were selling normal sand and basic silica, while Brazil is selling sustainable and tailored solutions. In the initial testing, it was found that some impurities were higher and the client specifications were not being met. The whole batch got stuck. There was a deadline and a reputation had to be built. The team's morale was going down, but Tanmay didn't give up. He re-engineered the entire process, increased washing cycles and tightened testing protocols, worked day and night, sent it again, and that same refined process is now their international. The demand is slightly fluctuating, but Brazil is processing 50 tons of ash daily and extracting 25 to 30 tons of silica. Their monthly revenue is around 10 million and they are growing at over 20% every year. The company has reached a turnover in the tens of millions and recently raised 30 million in funding, so that production can be increased from monthly to 35,000 tons per month. The global market for precipitated silica from rice husk ash was around 500 to 600 billion from 2023 to 2025. And by 2030 to 2034, it is expected to double or triple with a 10% CAGR. India is the world's largest rice producer, producing more than 21,000 million tons of rice. And every year, hundreds of thousands of tons of husk and ash are generated. Still, a large portion is wasted or inefficiently burnt. Companies like Brazil are turning this into wealth. Less pollution, extra income for mill owners, benefits for farmers, sustainable material for global clients, and inspiration for the youth. If this story made you think, please like and subscribe to the channel.